Today we are making a chicken kasba, and for that I have taken some spices. We are going to be making chicken kasba. For that I have taken some dried spices, some ground spices, and some 1 tablespoon of garlic. All the measurements of the entire recipe you will find in the description. So don't see the complete video and don't miss out how we make the kasba. I've also taken so we're going to fry these. I've also taken the chicken, that is 1 pound chicken, 500 grams of chicken, which we will be using. So in a pot I will be adding 3 tablespoons of desi ghee, and I will add all the spices in it and I'll fry it. Then I've added the lasan also, the garlic, and then I've also added my onions, and I'm going to let it cook for till it's translucent. And then I have added my chicken after frying the onions, and I have also added a little bit of salt. Then this is my rice. I've taken 1 cup of rice, and I've also added the rice into this chicken mixture. Then I have taken I'm going to take 4 tablespoons of tomato puree, and I will add that. And I've also added 2 cups of water, and I'm going to let this rice and the chicken cook together in the masalas. As you can see, after 10 minutes you see that the rice is cooked. It's not cooked completely, but it's bubbling, and at this point you have to put the stove at medium heat so that the rice can cook in a very low heat till completely the water is dried. Now you can see that the water is completely dried, and the rice, I'm going to let it steam for another 30 minutes, and then it's ready to be served. So after 30 minutes the rice looks like that. I have served it with some cucumber salad, and it looks divine. The taste is so amazing with these spices. You must give it a try, guys, and subscribe to my channel if you like this easy recipe. All the description, the ingredients are in the description, so you can have a look.